Hello everyone, today I have not good and not old Makita Drill DDF482, and it's a really common model. Now for this one we have a problem. The rubber fell out. The rubber pin from the housing fell out, and of course it's not working. Yep, it's normally it's a 2 pins here. Now we have none of them. Okay, we can open it to check, and what the fuck was did here? Obviously it was overheated. Okay. And yeah, both we can see the armature here is totally burned out. Definitely need to be replaced by the new gen in motor. We can see the part number here, and we can see how different the copper looks on the old armature and on the new armature. Just inserting it. Just making sure that everything is in places they must be, and closing the housing. Now I will take the new brushes for this one. And we will check if the replacing of the armature and the brushes have solved our problem, because sometimes the switch failed too. Okay, now we can put the battery, and we have not working drill, so we can suspect that a switch has been failed. So we need to find the replacement switch for this one. And okay, I have found a spare switch with a brush holder and the new brushes, so I will take this one out. And of course I will throw away the switch. We'll leave the terminal and the brush holder. Basically, if you will try to replace the new switch and the new armature with the brushes, it's not worth it. The drill not cost that much, so it will be cheaper to buy the new drill. And that's one of the reasons why I'm using the used parts. And of course the other reason is that I have used part. Looks not bad now. Okay, I think I can try to turn it on. Yeah, we can see that the motor is spinning, so double checking the wires for the brushes, the spring for the brushes, and closing the back cover. Don't want the close game. Okay, so this one looks good, and yeah, that was the armature, brushes, and the switch. For this one, just thank you for watching.